Ayun. Alright. Ito na. 15 minutes na lang daw and then we'll entertain some of your questions. This is the last part. So, now we know yung paano yung cycle ng Bitcoin. We know that dapat we should take profit. Diba? We know narinig natin yung ibang mga possible catalyst and on a technical perspective, nasa na tayo. So, a lot of people are asking me, saan ba bibili? At what price? At what price ba kami bibili dito? Yung tinatanong nila. So I always answer them, it is not don't ask the question, at what price ako bibili? The most important question that you need to ask is, how am I gonna buy? Right? Kasi I could say, sige, you buy at 50K. Paano kung hindi mabot ng 50? Diba? Paano kung bumili ka ng 50, it goes to 20? Alright? So, I will be sharing with you yung strategy na ginagawa namin ni Kuya since nag-start kami ng crypto. Ito yung nag-prove na nag-work sa amin. I don't know. Hopefully, this will also work for you. It's called DCA. So, sino nakakaalam ng DCA? Yan. Ano ibig sabihin? Yan. Di ko alam. Dollar cost average. Alright? So, I prepared a table, a sample table. Na for example, explain ko na, yung dollar cost average is accumulating Bitcoin on a regular basis for the next probably 12 to 18 months. Right? So, nakita natin yung cycle, di ba? So, let's say for example, you have an 18-month DCA schedule and you're allocated 1 million pesos para pang DCA mo. So, normally, a newbie, yung nagtanong sa akin na bilyonaryo, saan ba ako bibili? Bibili na noon isang bilihan. Normally, a newbie, excited to buy, pag nakita na ito na yung presyo, sige, bilhin ko na, hindi na ako mag-aantay next week, hindi na ako mag-aantay next month. No? Ganun din ako nung when I was a newbie. Doon naintindihan ko yung importance ng pag-dollar cost average, learning how to wait. No? Nakita ko yung importance niya kasi pag meron kang pambili lagi, you're excited for the price to go up or go down? Go down. You're excited for the price to go down, may pambili ka pa eh. Diba? Pero kung you're all in sa market, naiinip ka na because you want the price to go up. Pag bumababa yung presyo, ninenervyos ka na. Diba? And a lot of traders, pag naka-all in, dun sa bottom, kanina yung kita yung bottom kanina, yung flash, dun sila napa-flash. Kasi during that time, pag dumating yung time na flash talaga, sobrang daming bad news. And then since naka-all in ka, wala ka nang pambili, iisipin mo, ay sige, bebenta ko na lang muna at bibilin ko na lang sa susunod na bottom. Last cycle, ito nangyari. When Bitcoin was trading below 20,000 na, no? So from 60,000, it went to 25, and then 20, and then breached the 20,000 level. A lot of traders are saying, social media and all, and X, no? 10K yan, 8K yan, yung mga nasa 17K na, di ba? 8K yan, 8K yan. So, there are traders na narinig nila 8K, they saw the 17. And then hindi nila alam, yung 15 pala is bottom na. Di ba? Naiwan na sila ng bus. So, that's why it's really important that you know how to DCA. So, ito yan. So, for example, you have 1 million. So, you divide it by 18. So every month, you can allocate 55,000 pesos every month. Pero ang pag-DCA, you can buy regularly, halimbawa, every anniversary ng jowa mo, di ba? Mansari. Yan, di ba? February 14, March 14, April 14. Tuwing magde-date kayo ng jowa mo, bumibili ka ng Bitcoin. Tapos ang order niya, iced tea na lang. Di ba order ko? Bumibili ka ng Bitcoin eh. Iced tea ka lang kayo, ha? Right? So bibili ka regularly and then meron kang reserve na pag nagdidip. Because every month, if we're going to take a look at the chart of Bitcoin, every month may dip yan. Every month, there's like a 3%, 4%, 5% dip, 6% dip. So every time na magdidip, nakapag-anniversary na kayo. Tapos biglang kinabukasan nag-dip. Di Di ba? So meron ka pang pangbili sa tip. Another probably 10,000. No? So this is just a scenario. No? So, susunod, ulit, nag-date ulit kayo. Every time nag-date kayo, kinabukasan, nag-date. Di ba? So, lagi kang may pambili. Alright? So, you can do this probably, depende sa inyo. You can do this 12 months, you can do this 18 months. Pwede yung in-allocate mo lang 100,000. Maybe you allocated 10,000. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, no? So, this one works well for us, no, ni Kuya. Kasi, hindi kami naiinip. We're excited.